how to change easy mode, touch and hold delay time duration on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon, then we scroll down. From here, tap on display. Next, we scroll down, and from here, tap on easy mode. Now make sure you turn on easy mode. Once you turn on easy mode, there are additional options. So you want to tap on touch and hold delay. From here, you can change your delay time. So you got very short, medium, long, and a custom settings. So here I can choose short, and then tap on try it out. Once you're happy, you can then tap on done or try again. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key. So here we go down and make sure it is set to short. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.